What's up, YouTube? So once every 2 or 3 months my FJ has this little squeaky noise coming from the car somewhere, and it sounds a lot like when your smoke detector is running out of batteries. You hear this high chirp. I notice it a lot while I'm driving over bumps, and what it is it's the bushing of the shock in the front here. This rubber part here tends to get dry, at least in my FJ, and I always end up having to give it a couple of squirts of lubricant just to kind of get rid of that squeak. Just to kind of give you an idea of what it sounds like, I'm going to press down on the hood here, and you can hear it, which is kind of annoying, and it took me forever to figure out what it was, but it's that rubber bushing there. So what I've been using to lubricate it is WD-40 silicone lubricant, and silicone is important to use because unlike regular WD-40, the silicone doesn't dry out rubber, and if I give it a couple of squirts, it'll be good for, you know, another 2 or 3 months or so, and it just needs a little bit. So I'm not quite sure if any other FJ owners are experiencing the same type of squeak. I know it's a topic on the FJ forum. In my case, it is this rubber bushing. So I'm gonna go ahead and give it a couple of squirts and show you guys what it'll sound like afterwards. I'm just going very lightly. I'm gonna let it drip down there, not doing too much because it can get kind of messy. So I'm just gonna let that seep. Alright, so after lubricating that just a little bit, just gonna let it sort of sink in by giving it a couple of taps. And as you can see, the squeak is gone, at least for now. Well, if you guys experience any squeaks like that, let me know in the comments down below, and hopefully that helps out with your situation in case you have any squeaks in your FJ.